Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can transfer money from Sofi to an external bank account. So let's get started. First, navigate to the Investing tab, click on Add Cash. This will take you to the transfer page. From here, scroll down and select additional transfer options. In the Add Funds section, choose the option that says Transfer an Account. Please note that account transfers usually take 1 to 2 weeks to complete after being initiated. Once you've selected this option, click Next. Now you'll be taken to a page where you need to enter your account information. Log in to your external investing account to find details such as your account title and account number. You will also need the broker clearing number, which you can easily find with a quick Google search. For example, if you are transferring in a trade account, simply search e-trade broker clearing number, and you'll find the correct information. The same method can be used to find the firm's address. When entering the address, type in the name of the firm, followed by the street address, suite number if applicable, city, state, and zip code. For instance, with a trade, you would enter e-trade securities along with their full mailing address. Once all the required information has been filled in, click Transfer Account. After that, you'll be redirected back to your investing account overview page. At the top, you should see a confirmation message stating that your transfer request has been successfully submitted. Remember, as mentioned earlier, it may take about 1 to 2 weeks for the transfer to fully process, so some patience is required. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.